Constant Contact Tutorial. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, nurture customer relationships, and drive sales. Even with the rise of social media, email continues to deliver some of the highest ROI in digital marketing. The challenge for many small businesses, nonprofits, and entrepreneurs is finding a tool that is both powerful and easy to use. This is where Constant Contact comes in. A trusted name in the email marketing space, Constant Contact has been around for years, but in 2025 it has grown into much more than just a newsletter platform. It's now a complete digital marketing hub that helps you manage contacts, send professional campaigns, automate messages, and even integrate with e commerce tools. What makes Constant Contact stand out is its balance of simplicity and advanced features. You don't need to be a marketing expert to get started, but the platform still provides the depth you need as your business grows. In this video, we'll walk through Constant Contact's most powerful features, explore the benefits of each, and explain why it remains one of the top choices for businesses and organizations in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the drag and drop email builder. Constant Contact makes designing emails easy with its intuitive drag and drop editor. You can choose from hundreds of customizable templates, adjust colors and fonts to match your brand, and add elements like images, buttons, or videos. No coding is required. This allows anyone, regardless of technical skill, to create professional looking emails that grab attention. It saves time and ensures your emails are polished and consistent with your brand identity. Another key feature is the contact management and segmentation. The platform lets you import contacts from spreadsheets, CRMs, or directly from apps like Shopify or Salesforce. Once inside, you can organize contacts into lists and segments based on demographics, behavior, or purchase history. Targeted campaigns are proven to perform better. With segmentation, you can send the right message to the right audience, improving engagement rates and ultimately driving more conversions. Another key feature is the automation tools. Constant Contact includes automation features such as welcome emails, drip campaigns, abandoned cart reminders, and event follow ups. You can set up workflows that run in the background, keeping your audience engaged without requiring daily effort. Automation helps you maintain consistent communication while saving time. It ensures that new subscribers or customers receive timely, personalized messages that strengthen relationships and encourage repeat business. Another key feature is the analytics and reporting. Every campaign you send through Constant Contact comes with detailed analytics. You can track opens, clicks, bounces, and conversions. Reports are displayed in clear, visual dashboards, making it easy to see what's working and what needs improvement. Data driven insights allow you to refine your strategy. By understanding audience behavior, you can continuously improve your campaigns for better results and higher ROI. Another key feature is the integrations and marketing add ons. Beyond email, Constant Contact integrates with e commerce platforms, social media, and other marketing tools. You can run social ad campaigns, manage event registrations, or connect with platforms like WooCommerce, WordPress, and Shopify. This makes Constant Contact more than just an email tool. It becomes a central hub for your digital marketing. You can manage multiple channels in one place, streamlining your marketing efforts and saving time. So, why is Constant Contact a great choice? Constant Contact is an excellent choice in 2025 because it delivers both simplicity and power. Beginners can get up and running quickly thanks to the drag and drop builder and pre-designed templates, while more advanced users can take advantage of automation, integrations, and detailed analytics. It's also one of the most reliable platforms in terms of email deliverability, ensuring your messages actually land in your audience's inbox. The strong support resources like live chat, tutorials, and community forums make it easy to get help when you need it. Another key reason businesses choose Constant Contact is its scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur just starting out, a nonprofit managing donors, or a growing e commerce brand, Constant Contact adapts to your needs. You can start small and expand your marketing strategy without having to switch tools. So basically, Constant Contact continues to be one of the most user friendly yet powerful email marketing platforms available. With its drag and drop builder, contact segmentation, automation features, detailed analytics, and wide range of integrations, it provides everything you need to run effective campaigns in 2025. So, if you're looking for an email marketing tool that saves you time, helps you connect with your audience, and grows with your business, Constant Contact is an excellent choice. It brings together ease of use, smart features, and proven reliability all in one platform. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.